All right, guys, so how do I determine if something is part of my solution set? So when I look at a graph, and in this case, I have the graph of a linear inequality y is greater than or equal to 1/3 x plus 4, graphed on my coordinate plane. So when they are asking you which coordinate pair is not part of the solution set, essentially what they are asking you is which is not in the shaded part, right? So anything in the shaded part or on the solid line is considered part of the solution. So when I look at these coordinates and I look at 0, 4, okay, so if I find 0, 4 on my coordinate graph, it's right there. It is on the solid line, it counts. Okay, if I look at 1, 4, so 1, 4 just barely misses it, right? It's just underneath that line. Okay, so it's outside of the shaded region. If I look at 0, 5, that's right there. Okay, and it is clearly in the shaded region. And then if I have -3, 3, so -3, 3 is right there. Again, it is on the solid line. As long as it's on the solid line, it counts. So 1, 4 would be considered not a solution because, again, it's not in the shaded region. Now it gets a little bit trickier with a dashed line. So for example, here it says which coordinates are not, or is, sorry, which coordinate is in the solution set for y is less than -4/3 x plus 2. So if I'm looking at 0, 2, so notice 0, 2 is right there. It is on the line, but because that line is a dashed line, it's not part of the solution. So remember, only solid line. Okay, because dashed line means it does not include those points. If I'm looking at 1, 0, so I have 1, 0, that's right there. Okay, that looks like it's part of the solution, looks like it's shaded in. And then I have 3, -2. So 3, -2 is again on the line, but because it is a dashed line, it does not count. And if I'm looking at 2, 1, so 2, 1 is not even close to the shaded region. So we know that that's not going to be it, right? So just be careful when it is a dashed line because anything on the dashed line doesn't count versus if it is on the solid line, okay, it does.